York, New York. And on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, the city celebrates all things Irish. The Irish Arts Centre holds the Great Big Book Day, giving out thousands of books by Irish authors all over the city. One of those books is Under the Avalanche by McCabe. McCabe has written a heartfelt story of Ireland from the 1940s to the 1980s, and the secret shame that has befallen so many women whose only sin was to dare to fall in love.
My grandmother was born under the Avalanche, the only one ever to have happened in this valley, or indeed any valley anywhere in Ireland. It left a place of deep silence and sadness, so that even the birds didn't sing there anymore on the side of that lonely hill in Wicklow. But that is how Gertrude, my maternal grandmother, remembers and marks her birth, as if her life hasn't cast enough shadows of its own.